How to connect to a Wi-Fi on your PC or your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can connect to a Wi-Fi on your PC or your laptop. So first of all, we are on our home page. Now in order to connect to your Wi-Fi, on the bottom right side of the screen, you can see the Wi-Fi option which is right over here. So simply click on it. There you'll see the Wi-Fi option, and now in order to turn it on or off, simply click on this. So if it is gray, it means that Wi-Fi is turned off, but if it is in blue, it means that your Wi-Fi is on. Now, if you see this globe icon, it means that your Wi-Fi is not connected. And now if you want to connect, simply click on this option right over here. Then you'll be able to see the list of all the different Wi-Fi available on your region. Now to connect to anyone, simply click on it. After that, you can choose whether you want to connect automatically to this Wi-Fi network or not. And once you're done with that, simply click on connect. Now it will ask you to enter the network security key or your Wi-Fi password. So simply enter it. Now once you've entered the network security key or the password of your Wi-Fi, simply click on next and you will be successfully connected to your Wi-Fi if the password you've entered is correct. Now that is one way on how you can connect Wi-Fi. Now another way is simply go to your search bar and then type in settings. Now go to settings and now on the left side of the screen you can see various options. So you'll have to click on the third one, which is network and internet. After that, click on the option Wi-Fi and now it will provide you a bunch of different options. So simply click the one named Show Available Networks and now you'll see the list of all of the networks currently available on your region or your location. And now you can connect to other Wi-Fi using the same process as before. So that is basically how you connect to a Wi-Fi on your PC or a laptop. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.